CalFresh, also known as a Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, is the nation's first line of defense against hunger and a powerful tool to improve nutrition among low-income families. CalFresh Healthy Living helps address food insecurity, improve nutrition, and prevent or reduce diet-related chronic diseases among CalFresh recipients.
The obesity rates are so high, not only with our adult population, but also with the kids.
Los Angeles County has a population of 10.2 million people. If the county were a state, it would be the 7th largest in the nation. 1 out of every 2 adults are obese or overweight in Los Angeles County. For those eligible for CalFresh Healthy Living, the problem is even worse. Approximately 70% of adults are overweight or obese. The Los Angeles County Department of Public Health partners with local organizations to improve access to healthy eating and active living. Education on the benefits of eating fruits and vegetables, limiting sugary drinks, and increasing physical activity, especially for children, is critical.
A lot of this is leading to seeing early signs of diabetes. For the adult population, primarily the community that we serve are Latinos. A lot of them are being diagnosed with diabetes, and that is also leading to other chronic diseases. It is very alarming to see that just because we don't have a healthy community. That is our major goal, to combat those issues, and we do this through prevention. It has to do with access to food. It's also education. It's multiple factors affecting our adult population obesity rates.
An important part of CalFresh Healthy Living is the nutrition education classes that empower and educate the community.
With our Leah's Pantry curriculum, it's a series of 6 classes. We first begin the series by just talking about their food history, because we think that that's very important. That's where all the habits develop. From there, we move on to more nutrition content. We talk about My Plate. We talk about the importance of fruits and vegetables, whole grains. We also talk about processed foods and the way that a lot of food is processed and how that could be harmful to our body. And we also talk about the importance of drinking water with the Rethink Your Drink campaign. So for today's recipe, we will be doing a quinoa and veggie salad. We obtained this recipe from eatfresh.org. The main ingredients for this recipe is quinoa, and the vegetables are all raw. When they first see the recipe, they're a little hesitant just because they've never tried quinoa before. And once they try it, they're amazed, just because a lot of them, when they think of healthy food, they think that it's bland and boring. Some come back and say, you know what, I tried this recipe at home, my family loved it, and I'm going to now change from white rice to quinoa.
CalFresh Healthy Living has a real impact on the health and well-being of Los Angeles County residents. One is Carmen.
Miss Carmen Perez, she is awesome.
Miss Carmen has been with us for over 2 years since we started the program. She's been very consistent, attending every class. And we're very happy to have her because she encourages other participants to be engaging, and she's always so enthusiastic about her recipes.
Este programa que me ha enseñado a ser más creativa en preparar mis comidas más saludables y de crear diferentes platillos con diferentes vegetales, y para mí esto es excelente.
She attends 2 classes per week. She's always taking notes and reports back on the changes that she has made.
Este ha sido un cambio excelente para mí personalmente y para mi vida y de mi familia.
She has seen a change in her sugar levels. She has seen a change in her well-being. It definitely has impacted her, and it's also very grateful to hear that kind of stuff happening to our members.